Pioneers. Welcome to my channel. This is Olamide God. Please, if this is your first time of coming through this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share this information to your loved ones so they can see the latest updates in the crypto world. As we all know, Pi Network just launched their token. I can't even call it token. Let me say their coin. Because as it is now, people usually say, formally, people usually say BTC is second to none. But as it stands right now, I think Pi is second to BTC. And if BTC community are not careful, Pi will take their place. Imagine, BTC has never dropped drastically to that extent that it dropped. Like BTC dropped from $98 as at when Pi launched to $95 to $94. Now BTC is at $84. No, as at yesterday when I checked, it's at $84. I don't know, maybe it has increased. BTC has never dropped to that extent. If BTC wants to drop, maybe with, let's say, 2 stages or no. So if you know you are holding your Pi now, please don't sell. Just hold on to your Pi. Keep holding on, because this project is promising. I must tell you. Let's go to the chart right now on CoinMarketCap. When Pi listed, I think they listed around $2. Yeah, they listed at, I'm trying to check the charts. Okay, I think they listed around $1.4. Is it my network? Yeah, they listed around it started around $1.482. Then they keep going up till they reach $2. And on the day of launching, this is just CoinMarketCap, but on BitGet, it actually it went to $3 on BitGet. Yes, before coming down. So it later went down to around, after getting to $2, $3.4. Yeah, it peaked around $3.4 on BitGet actually, but I'm using CoinMarketCap here. Then it came back to $2. Then it came back to $1, as you can see here. It came back to $1.6, $1.5, $1.0, till it went to $0.8. But in the middle of the night, it also went to $0.5. It went to $0.7. I was seeing it like this. Even me myself, I'm really pained, to be honest, because I saw the potential, but I don't have enough fun. I was holding on to BTC thinking it will rise back, to bounce back. They will really tackle Pi Network. I would have sold my BTC to buy this Pi. Well, now that BTC has went down, it will be a loss for me to withdraw for Pi. But I'm looking forward to buy Pi again. But this is the best time for anyone to say he or she wants to invest in Pi. The person will make maximum profit. Imagine you buying Pi when it was 0.5 or 0.6 or 0.8. Then now Pi is at 2.6, and it's still fluctuating. When I first of all logged into this app, it was 2.7. Yeah. Then it keep going up from 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5. It went back to 0.7, and ever since then it's just going up to 0.7. Can you see here? 0.8 went back to 0.8, straight up from 0.8 straight to $1, $1.16. For you to know that one gigantic company has invested in this line where it was 0.8. It must have been just a company, a group of company that invested for it to pump up like this to $1.16. Now it's at $1.4. It came down again to $1.1. Even people who bought at the rate of $1.16, they will still make their gain. Though I won't advise anyone to buy now, and I won't advise you not to buy now. It lies on you. But don't let FOMO eat you, fear of missing out. Because if you are allowing FOMO, you might buy now and then it crash down. And another thing is, you might say, oh, it will still crash, that it is good, and then it keep going up. That's one crazy thing about crypto markets. That's one crazy thing. You can never predict. We can actually predict, but there's always ups and downs. Just like the map is giving us here, there's always ups and downs, and you never can tell. So I can say the best time to purchase Pi is this time. And at the same time, if you think you can still wait a bit to study the charts, then buy or invest. And I won't lie to you, if you want to invest in bulk and just zero your mind and hold on to your Pi. Because this token that you are seeing here, I can't even call this token, this coin that you are seeing here, is going to do a lot of numbers. Don't be surprised when you wake up the next one morning and you see that Pi is trading around $50. Don't be surprised. Maybe you just wake up next week and you see that Pi is trading at $10, and you not be like, had I know. So after 1.4, it went down again to 1.3 here, then went up again 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. As at yesterday, it was around 1.6, 1.7. Yesterday evening, it went straight to $2, 1.6. Yeah, it was around 1.6, 1.7 as at that yesterday. 1.6, 1.7, 1.6, 1.8, 1.9. Boom, it went straight to $2. It even went to, it was close to $3 yesterday. Around yesterday, it was close to $3. Imagine someone that has 600 Pi, like at hand, now sold his Pi when it was $3 here. That would be like, in Nigerian currency, that should be like 3 million plus, if I'm not mistaken. As at the rate of dollar to naira today, but now it went down to 2.6. But trust me, with the way Pi is going, I doubt if they will ever come down below $1. I doubt. But don't let FOMO eat you, please. Do your own research. This is just me showing the signal. This is not me giving you a financial advice. It lies on you, but if you have your Pi at hand, I will advise you hold on to it. And if you know you want to sell it, make sure you sell it at a profitable rate. So that's it about Pi. I just want us to look into it. That's why I made this video. And to the newbies that doesn't really know much about crypto, that maybe you don't really know much about crypto, you have been thinking of how to join. Crypto world is kind of tricky, but if you cool down and stay positive, you understand, stay guided, just stay positioned, don't be too forward, and don't slack. Did you get? That's one thing about crypto. Don't be too forward, don't slack, and keep yourself updated. And part of the way you can keep yourself updated is by subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see detailed updates. Hit the like button, turn on my notification button so you can always see my latest video. I'll also make a video on how to start. If you want to join the crypto world, I will make a video about that. How to download different exchange app like BitGet, Binance and all that. I will start from Bitget. I will, because I understand. I love their interface. It's kind of clear. Yeah. So how you can register with Bitget and how to trade on Bitget and all that. So I will make a video on that very soon. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.